Now that is a chocolate explosion. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is National Brownie Day. And are we going to be making brownies today? No, we're not. We are making something brownie-like though. We're taking a spin on brownies and making brownie cookies. These cookies are extra rich, extra fudgy, extra brownie-like. How can you go wrong? In a large bowl, we're going to be combining our butter, our granulated sugar, as well as our brown sugar. We're going to mix this on medium speed for about 2 minutes. Now we're going to be adding 2 eggs and our vanilla to our bowl. And we're going to be mixing this for about 2 minutes, but on high speed. Next, we're going to take 8 ounces of melted semi-sweet chocolate. I've gone ahead and I've melted it already. You can melt it in increments in the microwave for 20 to 30 seconds each. We are going to be beating this for another 2 minutes. That's what's going to give it its nice chewy texture, fluffy chewy texture, I should say. Now to our batter, we're going to be adding our dry ingredients. We're going to be adding our all-purpose flour, some unsweetened cocoa powder. Did you think I was only going to be adding semi-sweet chocolate? We're also adding espresso powder. This is going to give these brownie cookies that ultimate rich flavor that we're looking for. We're adding salt, and it's sticking again. It always sticks, I don't know why. And baking powder. I'm going to mix our ingredients on low just to get them combined. Now, last but not least, before we get these babies into the oven, chocolate chips. Yes, more chocolate. I can already hear some of you out there thinking, oh my God, that's a lot of chocolate. Yes, it is. Now, before we scoop out our dough, I'm going to chill it for about 20 minutes in the refrigerator. That's going to make it so that it doesn't spread out too thin. We don't want it any more than 20 minutes, otherwise they may not spread out at all. We just want to give it a little chill so they won't spread as much. I just took our dough, our cookie dough, or brownie cookie dough, I should say, out of the refrigerator. It's been about 20 minutes. Now we're going to scoop it out onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. I'm using a medium-sized cookie scoop, and I'm just going to take our dough, scrape it up the side, and onto the cookie sheet we go, just like that. Before I get them in the oven, I'm going to just give them a little pat with the back of my hand or my palm, just to flatten them a little. I like doing this. It gives the cookies a little bit more of a uniform shape. Our first batch is ready for the oven. We're going to cook these at 350 degrees for about 12 to 14, let's say 11 to 13 minutes. The cookies, just so you know, when you cook these yourself, the centers are going to be quite soft, but after you take them out, after about 13 minutes, they will, and they start to cool, then the centers will start to set, just like a brownie. So my cookies took about 12 minutes to cook, and oh man, do they look delicious. You want to once you take them out of the oven, you want to let them sit on the cookie sheet for about 5 minutes before you transfer them to a cooling rack. And just like that, we have about 2 dozen brownie cookies. Shall we try one? Let's see. And, oh, look at that. Chocolate chips are semi-melted. Now that is a chocolate explosion. They are crispy, not crispy, but a little bit more solid on the outside, but chewy, fudgy, rich chocolate flavor in the middle. How can I have just one? Thanks for watching, everyone. These brownie cookies are a must try. I'm still tasting the chocolate. See you next time. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment in the comments section below and share this video with your friends. I've added a link to the recipe in the description below. See you next time on Simply Wendy Live, Love, Bake.